FundedNext has always taken care of their clients, and this time around they're launching futures. I'm talking about futures trading, right? Now, for those of you who have been trading Forex, here comes an opportunity to venture into futures trading. Like personally, I've always wanted to trade futures, but you understand that, not having that capital has always been the issue. So right here, let me just show you what I mean. If you go to FundedNext platform, that is, let me just show you real quick right here. You see, it says FundedNext is launching futures, that is 26 hours from now. And of course, I'm just going to talk you through and show you the benefits of joining FundedNext futures, right? So here it is. Now, for the first time in future prop history, you're going to get a 15% performance reward from the challenge phase. And then, of course, as we all know, within 24 hours, if your payout is not processed within 24 hours, FundedNext always awards you an extra $1,000, right? Now, if you see, that's not all. They say that's not all. There's no reward cap. There's no activation fee. There's no monthly charge. Now, if you know about futures, you need to, cater for monthly charges. That is at least so that you can get live market, right? So there's that 100% performance reward, no reward cycle, unrestricted news trading. That is, you will always trade news no matter what for free, right? There's no limit to that. Now, there's no time limit as usual. Just take it at your own pace, slowly by slowly. There's contract scaling up to 10 minutes, and of course, best trading platform. I'm talking about Trade-of-8, NinjaTrader, and TradeView. I'm just going to show you how you can connect those platforms, and of course, with the trading, that is right. So before we get into that, let me just show you right here the challenges rules. I'm going to zoom in to help you guys see that clearly right here. So FundedNext futures challenge rules. So we have 25k account, 50k account, and 100k account. One thing that's amazing is you're going to get 30% off if you purchase this challenge before the launching day, right? So right here now on 25k account, you only need to make $1,250, right? $1,250. Then you've purchased the challenge, right? I think that's like 3%. On the 50k account, 6%. 50k account, you should be making $2,500, and 100k account, of course, you should be making $6,000. That's like 6%. There's no phase 2, just single phase, right? Now the daily loss limit for the 25k account is $600, 50k is $1,200, and of course 100k is $2,400. Maximum loss limit right there, you have it. There's no monthly fee, right? There's no activation fee, just like I told you before. And the contract scaling is up to 3 minutes. That is for 25k account. 50k accounts is 5 minutes, and of course $100,000 is up to 10 minutes, right? The drawdown is based on a trailing stop, that is EOD, end of day balance, right? And almost, it's crazy because most prop daily drawdown rule states that there is trailing stop based on equity, which is crazy, you understand. But on FundedNext futures, your daily drawdown limit is based on end of day balance, right? Trailing end of day. So you need to understand that. And of course, like I said, we have news trading. That is, news trading is allowed. Performance reward, of course, is 100%. And as usual, guys, this time around, you don't need to wait for 21 days. Once you pass your join, withdrawal every 5 days, amigos. Every 5 days, press that button, and then guess what? If, for instance, right, if you press that withdrawal button, then it takes 24 hours without you receiving a payout. There's that emergency glass that FundedNext usually advise you. Break that glass. Ding, ding. And guess what? They'll add another $1,000 extra. For instance, if you made a let's just say you made $20 profit, right? Then you need to make that payout, and takes 24 hours before FundedNext gives you that $20. Ding, ding. Just break that glass, and FundedNext is going to award you, or is going to add you an extra $1,000 to make it $1,020, which is crazy. There's no prop firm that gives you that kind of assurance, guys. That is how you should see how these guys are serious. How can they guarantee you $1,000 if they don't give you your payout in the next 24 hours? I know there are so many props you know, before joining FundedNext, I had so many prop. At the moment you hit that withdrawal button, oh, 3 days no payout, 4 days no payout, 3 months no payout. So that's like a scam, right? But for FundedNext, if it passes 24 hours, 1,000 is yours. So let me just show you trade of 8, right? Real quick, this is my trade of 8. Let me just launch it real quick, and then I'm just going to show you how you can also connect trade of 8 or Ninja Trader to TradingView, right? So this time around, you just do your analysis on TradingView, and then you can take your trades inside TradingView. It's crazy, right? So let me just show you, right? So right here, so basically I've already connected my my trade of 8 and my Ninja Trader. It's just the same thing, same password. You can use it to log into trade of 8 and also Ninja Trader, but then you just connect it to TradingView, which is very simple, right? So let me just show you right here. I have my account already connected. Just a minute, I need to show you this. Okay. So if you see this is the account right here. You see it's written trade of 8 and boom boom boom. I think you can see that. Was it green? Is that green sign? Ping, 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 playing out, right? So this is it. My account, as you can see, does it, and already I have an $100,000 account, just waiting for FundedNext to to launch, so that I can start pressing those buy and sell of the futures, right? So this is how you can connect your trade of 8. Let's say you already purchased. So just first things, you need to go to your right here and click on that, and then I hope you can see something called add-ons. Click on that add-ons right there real quick. Yeah, right there. So right here you see, connecting to TradingView is just free, right? Free right here. It's active. So then you press that no, come on. You press that connect button right there. Already you see I've already connected, and then your account is linked direct, I believe so. So let me just confirm with you again. So you see this is the account, FNFTCH blah 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 and FNFT blah blah blah. So right here, so now how do we trade? So for instance, if I want to take this NASA 100 trade, right, I've already done my analysis on TradingView. So come on, let me just remove these. What was this? So I want to take my trade. Let me remove this too. So for instance, if I wanted to take my sell right here, I'll just do this. Just the same thing, right? Maybe I need to have my stop right there. So just right click right there, right click. So where is it? Just a minute, let me just show you where is this. I'm looking for it. Just a minute, I should be having it. I think I connected, so it should be there. Just a minute, only I need to show you there. It should be. Let me just see the oh yeah, I see it now. So let's just start. So for instance, let's just say this is wheat futures, right? Futures, sorry. So if I want to take my entry, let's say I just wanted to take a sell right here because I see maybe the market is dropping based on my analysis. This is just an example, but I'm not going to take that trade, right? So let's say I'm planning to take that short. I have my stop loss right there. So all I need to do is just bring in my position tools, my long or even short position tool. This time I'm using a short position tool. Right click just like that. You can see we have create limit order if you want. If I click on that, this is it. Now you start from one unit, sorry. This time you're using the units, not lots. So if I have 1 unit right there, right here, so you see I'm risking $412 on this trade right there. Let me just scroll. So tick value, this time you're not using pips because this is futures, this is ticks. So if you see right here, everything is calculated. I don't need to go to other website to do my calculation, right? So let me just show you. So you see I'm risking 0.41% on my account, and that's like $412, and my target is $1,000. Crazy. then I can press that sell limit. But then if I want to go in direct to the market, I'm just going to click on market right there, just the same thing, right? So this is it. I'm going to press that sell immediately. Of course, I'm not going to do that right now, correct? And then you just, I think you'll hear order filled. So it's an amazing thing, mi amigo. Just, you know, join futures before it's too late, right? You can get 30% off. I think I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. Grab that account. 30% off before launch. I believe just a couple of hours before the launch starts. Let me just see how many hours we have. 26 hours from now, the moment I'm recording this join. 26 hours before the launch, right? So 30% off, and I wish you all the best, my amigos. So check out FundedNext, also link in the description box below, and adios, my amigos. Peace.